It's about 5 o'clock. I'm in Alba, Pennsylvania. Hasn't been the greatest day today. I've only gone about 60 miles. It's been cool, but just no rides, man. Another state, maybe I look like a New Yorker. I don't know. So, gotta keep my spirits up, you know. Things get shitty and just gotta keep moving on. So just kind of reporting in, let everybody know everything's good. And hopefully I get a damn ride. Yeah. That's a good camera shit right there. If not, I'll just keep walking until I find a place to scratch out. There's a lot of trees and woods around here. I don't know if you can see. I know I can. And it's fucking awesome. Oh, sorry about the F word. Beautiful country. Beautiful. Maybe I look like a creeper today. I'm gonna get my hat. Party on.